Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to see deleted search history on your Chrome. Quick one, guys, make sure you're logged into your Chrome. Now tap on these three dots over there in the right upper corner. Now you have to click on settings. Now once you click on settings, you then go ahead and click on privacy and security. Now you come over here and see this option which says browsing data. Click on it down and then click on this and then come and click on this more button, choose all time, and then after that go ahead and check mark everything. Okay, then after doing that you can cancel that for now. Then you come back to your settings once again, then you come to a new tab, then tap on the three dots again. After that, click on this history. Once you do that, you click on this one, it says show history side panel, and then you'll see all your deleted history on your Chrome browser. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.